Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. P. Samuel, Assistant Professor of Biotechnology, Bishop Heber College, Tiruchirappalli. In this video tutorial, we will be going to discuss about normality. Normality is a crucial concept in chemistry. So, through this lecture, I'll try to resolve the important concepts behind this crucial topic. So, without further delay, we will move on to the topic. What is actually normality is, right? So, to understand, let's see the definition. Normality is a unit of concentration. So, we can define it as a unit of concentration of a chemical solution, right? We know that solution is a preparation contain two different constituents, right? It contain a solute and a solvent. It contain a solute and a solvent. Remember always, solute plus solvent. Together we call it as solution. Let me erase it. Okay. So, normality is basically used to refer the concentration of a chemical solution, and it is expressed as gram equivalent weight of the solute, right? Gram equivalent weight of the solute per liter of the solution. So, we have to remember this point very carefully. So, it is expressed as gram equivalent weight of the solute per liter of the solution. So, here I gave an example, right. There are two different symbols were given here, right. So, kindly note it down. So, these are the two short notations I have given. It is referred by the symbol N, capital letter N, EQ bar L. It refers to equivalent weight per liter, right. What is called MEQ? MEQ stands for milli equivalent, right? Milli equivalent per liter of the solution. So, this can be explained with a small example called the acid, what we commonly use in our laboratory, right? Concentrated sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. So, in almost in our even in our biological chemistry laboratory, we used to prepare acid solutions. Like the laboratory instructor asked you people to prepare zero point 0.1 normal or 0.2 normal acid, right? 0.1 normal concentration or 0.2 normal concentration. So, there we will know the solution, the solvent plus the acid to be prepared in terms of the given concentration. So, let me see the preparation step one by one. So, to calculate or to understand normality, first we have to understand what is gram equivalent weight, right? Gram equivalent weight. It can be calculated by using the formula gram equivalent weight is equal to molar mass by valence, right? Molar mass by valence. Remember this formula, this is very, very important. If you are supposed to write answer for this type of question in your answer sheet, remember this formula and don't forget to write the formula in your answer sheet, right. Gram equivalent weight can be calculated by using the formula molar mass by valence, right. Next one, and in terms of HCl, right, in terms of hydrochloric acid, how it can be calculated. What is the molar mass of HCl and what is actually valence, right. So, if we understand these two things clearly, we can calculate the rest of the things, right? So, how can we calculate the molar mass? So, first we have to think of the components of HCl, right? It contains an atom, hydrogen atom, and a chloride atom, right? Remember. And what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. And what is the atomic mass of chlorine? It is 35.4. Let me erase it, right? 1. The atomic mass of hydrogen atom is 1 plus the weight of chlorine is 35.45. So, the sum value of these two values, the weight of hydrogen and the weight of chlorine, gives this one, 36.45. 36.45. And what is actually the valence? Valence refers to number of hydrogen atom dissociated from the acid. So, when the acid is dissociated, it gives only one proton. It gives only one hydrogen atom. It yields only one hydrogen atom. Therefore, the valence of HCl is 1. So, to calculate gram equivalent weight of HCl, it can be calculated by molar mass divided by valence. Therefore, the gram equivalent weight of HCl is 36.45. 36.45, right? Very simple one. The normality of a solution is calculated using the following formula. Gram equivalent weight of the solute, we know that we calculated it in the previous slide itself. I will recall, it is 36.45 divided by volume of solution in liters. So, to prepare or to calculate the normality of 0.1 molar HCl solution, we first need to determine the gram equivalent weight. We already determined it, right? It is 36.45. The molecular weight of HCl is 36.45 and the valence is 1. Therefore, the gram equivalent weight of HCl is 36.45. 36.45. The normality of the solution is then calculated 36.45 by liter of solution. It is 1 liter. Therefore, the given concentration is 0.1 normal. The given concentration is 0.1 normal, right? Very simple. All you need to know is to remember the formula. Normality is a useful unit of concentration in chemistry, right? Because it takes into account the chemical reactivity of the solute. So, it will help us to understand the chemical reactivity of the solute. In this example, HCl is our solute, right? HCl is our solute. This is important in many chemical reactions such as acid base reaction, precipitation reaction, and redox reaction. So, these can be given as examples or applications why calculating normality is very essential in terms of chemistry. So, it is essential because it can use to study various chemical reactions. All these things are referred from this website. The credit goes to thoughtco.com. Thank you for listening to the video. In case of any queries, please shoot your queries in the comment section. Till then, it's bye bye from Dr. Samuel.